Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Stenoworks. I am your teacher मोहम्मद वसीम with another legal passage. आपको बैकग्राउंड में पैसेज नजर आ रहा है जो कि 640 वर्ड्स पर मुश्तमिल है. मैं आपको डिक्टेट करूंगा 110 110 वर्ड पर मिनट की स्पीड के हिसाब से. पर्पस हमारा ये है कि हम अपनी शॉर्ट हैंड स्पीड को इम्प्रूव कर सकें, अपनी आउटलाइंस को बेहतर कर सकें और अपने आप को एक कॉम्पिटेटिव लेवल पे अपने आप को प्रूव कर सकें. आपने क्या करना है, आपने पहले डिक्टेशन को सुनना है, आउटलाइंस को ऑब्जर्व करना है. उसके बाद जब आप एक दफा सुन लेंगे, मतलब जब आप आउटलाइन को ऑब्जर्व कर रहे होंगे तो साथ साथ आप फ्लाइंग प्रैक्टिस भी करते रहेंगे. तो सेकंड टाइम जब आप प्ले करेंगे तो फिर आपने उसको डिक्टेशन लेनी है. डिक्टेशन लेने के बाद आपने ट्रांसक्राइब करना है. ट्रांसक्राइब जब कर लेंगे तो आपने मेरे पीडीएफ डाउनलोड करके उसके साथ जो है वो मैच करना है. अब कुछ ऐसी आउटलाइंस होगी जो आप बना नहीं पाए होंगे, कुछ मिसिंग भी हुई होगी, तो इन तमाम चीजों को ओवरकम करने के लिए आपने मेरे पीडीएफ को जो है वो कंसल्ट करना है. अच्छा, इस डिक्टेशन को आपने उस वक्त तक करते रहना है जब तक आपकी जीरो मिस्टेक्स ना हो जाए. और जो भी मिस्टेक्स हुई हैं आपने अलग से सेपरेट पेपर पे, सेपरेट पेज पे उनकी प्रैक्टिस करनी है, उन वर्ड्स की. क्योंकि जो मिस्टेक्स होती हैं अगर आप आज उनको इम्प्रूव कर लेंगे, आप अगर आज उन मिस्टेक्स को ओवरकम कर लेंगे तो नेक्स्ट टाइम वो जो है वो मिस्टेक्स होने के चांसेस नहीं होंगे. जो भी मैं आपको डिक्टेट करूंगा वो आपको बैकग्राउंड में हाईलाइटेड नजर आएगा. जी, स्टार्ट करते हैं 110 वर्ड पर मिनट की स्पीड के हिसाब से. 1 2 3 स्टार्ट. थ्रू दिस second application under section 426 CRPC, applicant convict has sought suspension of execution of sentence merits as well as statutory ground of delay in decision of appeal. Full stop. First application filed by the applicant for suspension of sentence was dismissed as withdrawn on 25/3/2021 for the time being. Full stop. Applicant has been convicted and sentenced. Wide impugned judgment dated 26/1/2001 passed by the learned additional sessions judge, in private complaint filed under section 302 PPC arising out of FIR registered under section 302 of police station. Full stop. The details of conviction recorded and sentence awarded to the applicant is as under. Full stop. Conviction sentence under section 302 B PPC imprisonment for life as Tazir. Full stop. To pay rupees 1 lakh under section 544A CRPC as compensation to the legal years of one of the deceased, and in case of non-payment to suffer further period of simple imprisonment for 6 months. Full stop. To pay rupees 75,000 as daman to the injured, and in case of non-payment of daman, he shall be kept in jail until daman is paid. Full stop. Benefit of section 382B CRPC has been extended to the applicant. Full stop. After hearing learned counsel for the parties, learned deputy prosecutor general, and going through the impugned judgment, it has been noticed that as per case of prosecution, appellant caused firearm injuries with 44 rifle at right hand testes and right thigh, he also caused firearm injuries at front side of thigh and right knee, ocular account furnished by prosecution comprising of eyewitnesses including injured witnesses has been confirmed by the medical evidence. Full stop. So far as opinion of police in favor of applicant is concerned, suffice it to say that same is not binding and may have a persuasive value which have become irrelevant when aggrieved by said opinion of police, private complaint was filed by complainant and then judicial verdict has been recorded by the learned trial court regarding guilt of the applicant. Full stop. The learned counsel for the applicant could not point out any legal infirmity in the judgment which could support him for supporting the sentence. Full stop. Therefore, no case for suspension of sentence on merit has been made out. Full stop. As far as contention of learned counsel for suspending sentence of the applicant on the ground of delay in decision of appeal is concerned, it is important to mention here that appellant was convicted wide judgment dated 26/1/2021 passed by the learned additional session judge, and he filed appeal before the court on 3/2021, undeniably, applicant was tried and convicted as juvenile, and it is important to mention here that in Juvenile Justice System Act 2018, Section 65 speaks for grant of bail on the ground of delay in trial in the juvenile, which is hereby reproduced, where the juvenile court is of the opinion that the delay in the trial of a juvenile has not been occasioned by any act or omission of such juvenile or any other person acting on his behalf or in exercise of any right or privilege under any law for the time being in force, such juvenile shall be released on bail if he has been detained for a continuous period exceeding 6 months and whose trial has not been completed. Full stop. However, any such provision has not been provided in said statute for suspension of execution of sentence of the person convicted by juvenile court, during pendency of his appeal. It goes without saying that by now it is well settled that when something has not been provided under the statute, then court cannot read the same so as to give a different interpretation. Full stop. The said principle categorically provides that where the legislature has not provided something in the language of the law, the court cannot travel beyond its jurisdiction and read something into the law as the same would be otherwise the powers available to the court under the constitution and would. Full stop. The end. डिक्टेशन हमारी कंप्लीट हो चुकी है। अब आपने इसको जो है पहले फ्लाइंग प्रैक्टिस करनी है, एक दफा सुनना है इसको, उसके बाद आपने प्ले करके दोबारा इसको जो है वो डिक्टेशन लेनी है, उसके बाद ट्रांसक्राइब करना है। मेरा पीडीएफ डाउनलोड करके भेज करना है। जो भी मिस्टेक्स हुई हैं आपने उनको दोबारा उनकी प्रैक्टिस करनी है। जो मिस्टेक्स आज हुई हैं अगर आप उनको आज प्रैक्टिस कर लेंगे, नेक्स्ट टाइम वो आपकी मिस्टेक दोबारा नहीं होगी। पीडीएफ इसका डाउनलोड कर लीजिएगा डिस्क्रिप्शन से। अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो, मेरे चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, मेरी वीडियोस को लाइक कीजिएगा। इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में फिर मुलाकात होगी। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज।